Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compress a PDF file size offline. So let's get started. First of all, you got to make sure that you have an editor on your PC to do this offline. For example, I have Adobe Acrobat. So you're going to open this file in Adobe Acrobat, and once the file is loaded, you're going to click on menu at the top left, scroll down, and you should see an option of Save as Other. Then you're going to click on Reduced Size PDF and make sure it's make compatible with retain existing, and then click on OK. After that, you're going to select where you wish to save it and then click on Save. And you can see that I have a name with this one, so I'm going to change the name to, let's say, 1, 2, 3, and then click on Save. And now a reduced size PDF will be saved on your PC. You can head over to that location and open it. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.